Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by creating the concrete project so you can move fast. Open Unity Hub and make a new 3D project with a clear name. Once done, add AR Foundation plus the platform package, AR Core for Android or AR Kit for iOS, through Package Manager. Make sure build settings include your target platform and switch to the appropriate SDK. Set IL2CPP for iOS and include ARM64. These steps let Unity recognize AR features and prepare the scene for AR Foundation components and XR configuration. Now you'll assemble the scene and implement the interactive logic. Add AR Session and AR Session Origin. Drag the AR camera prefab under Origin so tracking follows device motion. Attach AR Plane Manager to detect surfaces and AR Raycast Manager to place objects via touch. Create a spawnable prefab using low poly meshes and AR-friendly shaders and set its scale to real-world units so it feels anchored. Once done, write a short script to Raycast on touch, instantiate the prefab, and parent it to the hit pose for stable tracking. You finish by configuring build options, deploying and validating behavior on a real device. Set the bundle ID, enable camera permissions, and configure player settings like orientation and graphics API, then build and run to your phone. Test plane detection, object placement, and movement. Make iterative fixes. If tracking fails, check lighting and texture contrast, update AR Core or AR Kit on the device, confirm camera permission in the manifest, and ensure your prefab uses simple colliders. This troubleshooting step usually resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.